friends, family, it is me again this week. Wow, this is what, my third video in 1 week. So I decided I want to make some like fall type of videos, and like I did like some fall planting. Now we're gonna do like homemade sweater pumpkins. I do love arts and crafts, but that does not mean I am good at arts and crafts at all. I'm actually a very, not uncoordinated, but when something doesn't seem to be working for me, like especially like painting, things like that, I instantly just like walk away. I get frustrated. I get like heated. Like, ugh, mommy! This is absolutely ridiculous. I need help. Sad.
Just help. Is there no hope?
All the emotions I get within this, so let's hope that doesn't happen today. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our sweater, making sure it's nice and flat, and then chop, chop, chop. These are not the correct scissors to use. Use fabric scissors. Okay, so turn your sweater inside out like this. So your seam is on the inside right now. I mean, you know what I mean, on the outside. So we're just gonna go ahead, bunch up the top, and we're gonna put a little rubber bands on the top like so, making a little ponytail. So now we have our little pony, and we are going to flip it now inside. So now we have this cute little beanie. Oh my gosh, I just made a beanie for a baby. Well, let's stop the video here. So you don't want this to be too full, but you also want it to be full. There's really no rhyme or little trick here. You just stuff it. And try to keep it kind of smooth. You don't want it to be lumpy, so if you, mine is still lumpy. I maybe need to massage it. Mom, do you have any pointers? Okay. I'm actually kind of surprised I haven't given up already. So grab your rubber bands, and we are just going to make another ponytail right at the base of our, yes, our twine. Okay? And we are going to wrap it around the base of our ponytail. And we're going to need hot glue for this part, so get your hot glue gun. So now we are going to grab the end piece right here and just stick it on that glue. Make sure it's nice and tight, and that rubber band, like I said, is covered. So I'm gonna go, stop looking, it'll look cute in a second. My mom is giving me the rudest face, you guys. Like, let me tell you about supportive parents. We just put some hot glue right there, and now we're just gonna lay this piece down and hold it. Go ahead and cut the rest of this pom-pom off. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna go ahead and put some hot glue all around the top. Then we are just going to kind of spiral this on our ouch, top of ouch. We got our stem on, and we are gonna go and grab some embroidery string and then an embroidery needle. And we're gonna go ahead and stick our needle through the bottom. We're gonna come up by the stem, we're gonna come around, and we're gonna tie it a few times at the bottom, and then we're gonna do the same thing all over again next to each other. So we're gonna have about, it's as many as you want. I think I may do 5.
This. Let me try to turn off the camera for a second.
I'm like wrestling this thing. So I just ran to Michael's because the needles we had were just way too small. Again, I am not measuring at all. This should be the easiest arts and crafts you've done. Hey Mom, can I have some tape again? Okay, so now we have our string through, and we are now just going to be putting We're gonna be squeezing our pumpkin and sticking it right through the bottom. And going right towards the stem. Try to get as close to the stem as you can. There we go. You need to work with it a little bit when you're pulling it through. Too much. Don't do what I just did. My gosh, I'm just not a crafty person. Okay, now we're just gonna grab it, squish it, pull it on through. Right about yay. And now we're gonna go right through the bottom. I'm gonna just make a couple of little back and forth little movements on the bottom over here. Okay. Ow. Holy crap, Mom. I'm really bad at this. Oh, this is frustrating. I'm gonna cry. When I have kids and their pants rip, we are just buying new pants. I don't care. We're not sewing crap in my house. Nothing. I can say crap. Crap is not a bad word, right? I'm about ready to give up. I'm being honest here. This is absolutely ridiculous. I said easy, and the title's probably gonna be like easy DIY. This is the actual struggle. It's not easy. We're back again. I don't know what these DIY gurus on YouTube talk about being easy. Lies. Okay. I'm not even gonna tell you what I'm doing. You already know what I'm doing. And you're gonna pull it through. I'm stuck.
Keep going.
Okay. We kind of did it, you guys. I don't know what I did. I just went through the bottom. We're just making one small stitch away from everybody. They are not our friends. Everything in this process does not like each other. This is like a do not follow the person you're watching. Now we're gonna go back up to the top in a different spot. Sort of next to where we began. To the side of it. Just gonna pull it right on through. Okay. Okay. Make sure you pull it snug. Oh my gosh, it's starting to look like a pumpkin. Ah! This is exciting. Ah! Mommy! I did the bad thing again. Okay. So right here, I'm actually just going to knot it off because I need more string. Mom? Can I have some help? Okay, so I cut off the excess piece. Never show anyone the bottom of your pumpkin. And so this is what we have so far. Okay, so what I've decided, I'm going to go ahead and put these two leaves. I'm going to go ahead and grab my hot glue. Stick it right on here. And then we're just going to place it in there. Okay. Alright, and then so I decided I kind of wanted to sit on two little fall leaves. I think that's kind of cute. And so let's just go ahead and hot glue these two together. This way. Just gonna hold it there for a few seconds. After, you know, crying, so on and so forth, we actually ended up making a pumpkin. Do I think this is a better alternative than buying one? Absolutely not. Go out and get one yourself. This is still very cute. Yes, I was able to do it myself. It took me maybe 3 hours. This would maybe be $4 at Hobby Lobby. Just go buy one. But you know what? It's fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day today. I'll give it a little spin around. This will be the front though. So cute. Alright.